The title of our project is AI based pneumonia and COVID classifier using machine learning. And our team members are myself Niveta, Navya, Priyadarshini and Vidura. Guided by Mrs. A. Soumya, Assistant Professor, RMD Engineering College, Chennai. The main aim of our project is to build a medical image classifying app for doctors and also to a medical professional in order to classify the image with respect to pneumonia and diagnose them. The existing system is very much expensive, so we rectify the above problem by providing an efficient AI based solution which not only solve the existing problem but the model can be further trained to adapt to new improvement as well. In our project, we used a region based convolutional neural network which is used for efficiently classifying image data, as this is generally used for computer vision and more specifically in object detection. This way is more efficient than any other neural network based model. And another algorithm, artificial neural network, is also used, which is an also efficient computing system which make the classification simple and make the classification more faster and in an accurate way. These both algorithms are used to satisfy the above problem. In the existing system, they have been used an outdated CNN based system which is slow and inefficient and non-adaptable to new changes. In the existing system, since it has a multi-layer approach of CNN, it requires a higher computational power and the powerful GPU for smooth performance. The power consumption is also high, so it is much expensive, and the system has a greater execution time which makes it slow and inaccurate, and moreover the existing system requires a huge data set. Anyone has a permission for all the transaction in the network. As a result, the transaction in the network is not secure and prone to the intruders. In the proposed system, we have been used a RCNN and ANN based approach which make it completely adaptable and is fairly efficient and reliable. And in our project, we used the power consumed is less and the system is cost efficient which make it affordable. And the system here is fast and also have a greater accuracy in a comparatively smaller data set. And our proposed system is based on low computational algorithm. The block diagram image shows that the chest X-ray image are taken from frontal view at high validation accuracy. The algorithm begins by transforming the chest X-ray image into sizes smaller than the original. The identification and classification of the image by the CNN framework extract the feature from the image and classifies them. Due to the effectiveness of the trained CNN model for identifying the pneumonia from chest X-ray image, the validation accuracy of our model was significantly higher when compared with other approaches. In order to firm the performance of the model, we repeat the training process. Let's see how it runs. By creating a local URL, we opened our web page in which we have a browse file option where we need to insert the patient's lungs X-ray image. Then our web app will analyze the given image with the knowledge of trained data using machine learning. It will predict whether the patient is affected by COVID or any sort of pneumonia or they are normal. We have taken a sample image of an X-ray of the patient, and our web app had predicted that the patient is suffering from COVID-19. A short note how the COVID had evolved and what are the things that COVID affected patients must follow, and a home remedy is also given in the step-by-step manner. We classified pneumonia based on their probabilities. We grouped in such a way that if the resultant is 0, it is COVID, 1 for normal, 2 for bronchitis, 3 for viral pneumonia and 4 for tuberculosis. In our sample, COVID has high probability around 95%. So our web app had predicted that the patient is suffering from COVID. A model explanation is given so that where the COVID affects the patient's lungs is also given. Three types of model explanation is given so that it will give a clear-cut idea to both patients and also to the doctors. Similarly, sample 2 and sample 3 is also done.